Good morning, children. Okay, already we have finished two classes of chapter 7 fraction. Now we can discuss about the addition and subtraction of like fractions. Okay, now here you listen. You know how to do addition and subtraction of like fractions? In the like fractions, the denominators are same. We add the numerator or subtract the numerator and write the answer in the denominator. Okay. Now let us start how to add the fractions. 3 by 8 plus 4 by 8. See, like fraction, the same denominators. Okay. So you add only the numerator. 3 plus 4. Write like this. Then by 8. 8 you write in the middle. Equal. Add these two numbers. 3 by 4 equals 7 by 8. Okay, understood? Next one more. 5 by 8 plus 2 by 8. Okay, add these two numbers, numerator 5 plus 2, right here, then by the denominator 10. So add these two numbers, 5 plus 2, 7 by 8. Okay, one more I'll show you. 5 by 10 plus 2 by 10. 5 plus 2, write 5 plus 2 by 10 equal 5 plus 2, 7 by 10. Okay, this is the way you add the subtraction, your addition. Okay, now let us subtract. Subtract the like fractions. Okay. 7 by 10 minus 2 by 10. So write 7 minus 2 by 10 equal 7 minus 2, 5. So 5 by 10. Okay. One more. 10 by 15 minus 3 by 15 equal 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 by 15 equal 10 minus 3, 7. 7 by 15. Okay, very easy. One more. 8 by 11 minus 1 by 11. So 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 by 11. What will get the answer? 8 minus 1, 7. 7 minus by 11. Okay. This is the way you have to find out all the answers in the textbook also. Okay. Hope everybody has done all the work given. Page number 120. Okay. Then solve the problems. Solve the problems. Question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3. Study read 5 by 12 of a book on Monday and 4 by 12 of the same book on Tuesday. What fraction of book she read in all? So you have to find the solution. You copy the question from the textbook. Okay. Solution. Book. And on Monday. 5 by 12. Book read on Tuesday. You write the number of book. Number of book. Number of book read on Monday. Number of book read on Tuesday. 4 by 12. 4 by 12. So what we have to find out? What fraction of book she read in all? Read in all means addition. The fraction of book read in all equal plus this 2. 5 by 12 plus 4 by 12 equal 5 plus 4 by 12 equal 9 by 12. So total she read 9 by 12. Okay. Next, Supriya painted 4 by 10. Question number 7. Supriya painted 4 by 10 of a painting in morning and 2 by 10 of the same painting in the evening. How much did she paint in all? What part of the painting is still left to be painted? Question number 7. Painting done in the morning. Solution I am writing. Four by 10 equal 4 by 10. Painting done in the evening. Two by 10. Then how much did she paint in all? Total she painted equal 4 by 10 plus 2 by 10 equal 4 plus 2 6 by 10. Then how much to be painted? Okay, left equal total 10 by 10. Now all means 10 by 10. 10 by 10 minus 6 by 10. So 10 minus 6 by 10. 10 minus 6, 4. 4 by 10 is remaining. Okay. This is subtraction. The first one was addition. Okay. To find fraction of collection. How to do the fraction of collection. 2 by, okay, 1 by 2 of 18. 1 by 2 of 18. You know, you have to find out by dividing. So 18 dividing by 2. This 18 divide by 2. So see the table. How many 2's are there in 18? We'll get 9 2's are 18. 9. Okay. 1 by 4 of 36. 1 by 4 of 36. How many 4's are there in 36? So 36 divided by 4. How many 4's are 36? 9 4's are 36. Okay. Next, 1 by 5 of 35. 35 divided by 5. 1 by 5 of 35. So 35 divided by 5. 7. How many 5's are there in 35? 7 5's are 35. Here, page number 125. Here some questions. Find the number and color according to the fraction. 1 by 2 of 18. See, 9. 9 stars you have to color. Only 9. Okay. Then 1 by 3 of 24. 8 balloons you have to color. 1 by 4 of 36. 9. 9 fish you have to color. 1 by 2 of 10. 5. 5 2's are 10. 5 apples you color. 1 by 5 of 25. 5. 5 flowers color. Then find all these following in a notebook. Okay, write the answer in the notebook. Page number 126. It's better to do yourself without others' help. Try to do yourself. Which of the following is a unit fraction? Unit fraction means 1 as numerator. So only 1 is given, 1 by 7. Tick that. 1 by 3 of 15. How many 3's are there in 15? 5. 5 3's are 15. Right? 5 and also tick the answer. Fill the box to make a complete whole. Complete whole means numerator and denominator will be same. 5 by 5, 9 by 9, 8 by 8, like that. So, numerator is blank. So, you have to write the same number given as denominator. So, 9 by 9. What is 5 by 11 plus 2 by 11? 7 by 11. What is 7 minus 9 minus 3 by 9? 4 by 9. You tick the correct answer in the textbook. Here page number 127. Fraction with the same denominators are called like fractions. Like fraction, same denominator. A fraction that has 1 in the numerator is called a unit fraction. All the unit fractions are proper fraction. Keep in your mind, all the unit fractions are proper fraction. While comparing like fractions, the greater the numerator, the greater is the fraction. Greater the numerator. Make a 9 by 5 proper as well as improper fraction. Proper equal 2 by 5, improper equal 7 by 5. Next one, 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5 equal numerator plus 1 plus 2, 3 by 5. Here 3 by 9, 1 by 2 of 16, 8. Here you find out answer 27 divided by 3. 9 3's are 27. So write in 9. A fraction represents a part of a whole. Whole answer will be whole, WHOLE, whole. So, which is bigger, you have to find out by putting sign. All these answers you can do. Okay. Everything, any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Okay, complete this page also, page number 128. Okay, do everything very well. Study properly. I have given you the timetable yesterday. Hope everybody has seen. So complete all the portions very well. You study, then only you can write the exam without others' help. Okay, may God bless you. Bye.